Construct 3 versus GameMaker, which game engine is better? Choosing the right game engine can completely change how you create games without struggling with complex coding or limited features. Both offer powerful tools, but differ in approach and flexibility. Construct 3 and GameMaker are two popular game engines designed for different types of developers. Construct 3 focuses on visual scripting and ease of use, while GameMaker offers more traditional coding and deeper control over game mechanics. Construct 3 is a browser-based game engine that uses a drag-and-drop interface combined with a visual event system, making it accessible for beginners and non-programmers. It works entirely online, allowing users to build 2D games quickly without writing code. Its strengths include a user-friendly workflow, rapid prototyping, and a strong community with extensive tutorials. Construct 3 supports exporting to multiple platforms like HTML5, Android, iOS, and desktop apps. However, its visual scripting can limit complex game logic and performance compared to traditional coding engines. The engine is ideal for indie developers, educators, and creators who want to focus on design and gameplay without deep programming knowledge. Its subscription model provides continuous updates and cloud saves, but offline use is limited. Overall, Construct 3 excels at fast, accessible game development with minimal technical barriers. Source: HTTCX, WTPU, Construct. GameMaker is a versatile game engine known for combining drag-and-drop features with a powerful scripting language called GML, which offers more control and customization. It supports both 2D and limited 3D game development and is available as a desktop application. GameMaker works by allowing users to design game assets visually and then refine behaviors through code, giving developers flexibility. Its strengths include a mature ecosystem, strong performance, and the ability to export games to platforms like Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and consoles. Limitations include a steeper learning curve for those unfamiliar with coding and the less intuitive interface for complete beginners. GameMaker is ideal for developers who want to scale from simple projects to complex games while gradually learning programming. It offers both one-time purchase and subscription plans with extensive documentation and active community support. This engine suits hobbyists and professionals aiming for more technical depth and control over their game design. Source: HTTPS, val www.gamezine.com. When comparing Construct 3 and GameMaker, the choice depends on your development style and goals. Construct 3 shines for rapid 2D game creation without coding, perfect for educators and designers focused on visual logic. It's browser-based, making collaboration and access easy but can struggle with complex game mechanics. GameMaker offers a hybrid approach, combining visual tools with a scripting language that unlocks advanced gameplay features and optimizations. For example, if you want to create a simple mobile game fast, Construct 3 is ideal. But for a more intricate PC or console game requiring custom behaviors, GameMaker provides the necessary depth. Construct 3's subscription model contrasts with GameMaker's flexible licensing, influencing long-term costs. Both have strong export options, but GameMaker's performance edge suits larger projects. Ultimately, the trade-off is between ease of use and technical power. Sources: HTTPFix, Tucked, Net, HTTP, Tobblegot, Net, HTTPFix. Your game's top. Choose Construct 3 if you prioritize quick development with minimal coding and want a straightforward browser-based platform for 2D games. GameMaker is recommended for developers seeking more control and scalability through coding, ideal for complex projects across multiple platforms. Both engines excel in their domains, so select the one that aligns best with your skills and game development ambitions.